Okay, everybody, welcome back. So this time we're going to be solving the ladder problem. And when we're doing this, there's one thing that we have to do to help ourselves solve this problem. That's make an assumption. Now, if you see two lines that look like they're perpendicular, in this case we have a flat ground and we have a flat wall, we're going to go ahead and assume that they're perpendicular. Now, if you see a symbol for perpendicular, that's like right there, and you don't see it somewhere else, don't assume it then. Only assume it where it's shown, but if it's not shown anywhere, and you need to, go ahead and make that assumption. So I'm going to assume that that's a right angle, because it makes a lot of sense to me that the wall would be perpendicular to the ground. Okay, now that I know that, I can start to solve this problem. How am I going to solve it? Well, I'm going to use my trig functions, because this is now a right triangle. So let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and solve for the angles. So this one right here. Let's go ahead and name things. So this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So I know these two sides. So cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which will be 4 over 14. Theta is going to be equal to cosine to the negative first of 4 over 14. And so that's going to be equal to what? Let's find out. Comes out to be 73.4 degrees. Okay, so I have one of my angles. What about the other one? Well, let's avoid trig, and we can just remember there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So 180, I call this guy theta, is equal to theta plus 90 plus 73.4. And so theta turns out to be, let's see here, 16.6. And we have it. So 16.6. Okay, we have two of the sides, we have all three of the angles. So let's find that last side now. We can go back and we can actually use this angle again because now we know it. And so opposite over adjacent is tangent. So tan of 73.4 is equal to opposite over 4. So my opposite is going to be equal to 4 times tan of 73.4. And it's going to be equal to 13.42. Okay, 13.42. So we have all of our answers now. We have everything we needed to solve this problem. Happy days. So that's it for this time. Thank you all for paying attention. Hopefully this helps you, and we'll do some more problems next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.